Find a subarray which adds to a given number in an array. Suppose if this is the input array, we need sum of 33. So the sum of 33 is from 20 plus 3 plus 10 would give 33. So we are just taking one dictionary and we are iterating through a loop. And we are saying that current sum, which is 0, 0 plus, and we are incrementing and adding it to an array. And if we are saying that if current sum minus the sum, something like 33 minus 33, then we are just returning the start 0 to I. And we are also checking a condition where dictionary dot contains key of sum of current sum minus sum, and if it is true, we are getting the start index from the value of dictionary plus 1 and the end is I. If it is not and we are just going to a dictionary and adding the sum and initializing to the index. I want to explain with an example. Here we have 1, 4, 23 and 10 and 5. Now the current sum is 0 and the sum what we have to get is 33. Now we have already told that we will add the current sum with the index 0 for the for iteration. So when we add, we get 1. Now we are checking the both condition. What if current sum minus sum is equal to 0? What is the current sum? Current sum is 1. It is subtracted with the sum, which is 32, which is not equal to 0. So we are not returning anything. And we also check a condition. If dictionary dot contains key of minus 32, we don't have anything in the dictionary yet, so we are not doing that. And after that, we have the condition as dictionary of current sum is equal to I. So we got as 1, so we put current sum and the index is 0. Now again in the for loop for the next number, it is 4. We add 4 plus the current sum, which is 5, and we check current sum minus sum, which is 28, which is minus 28. It is not it's not there, so it will not go into that if loop, and dictionary dot contains minus 28 is not there, so it does not go into that loop. So and we just put the current sum 5 and the index is 1. We continue to the next loop. Current sum minus we got 5 plus the next number is 20. We add and the current sum is 25. Again we come to the if condition, current sum minus sum is equal to 0. But for us, if 25 minus 33 is not equal to 0, so we are not going to the if loop. And next is if dictionary dot contains current sum minus sum. Again there's a condition. Dictionary dot contains key of minus 8. We don't have minus 8. So we just go back and add to the dictionary 25 and the index is 2. Again we move on to the next number, which is 3. We add the current sum is 28. If current sum minus sum is equal to 0, we don't go to the if loop. Next we check if dictionary dot contains key of 5. Does it contain 5? Yes, it contains 5. So we go to this loop. Dictionary dot contains current sum minus sum. 5, it contains 5. 5 is what place? 5 is 1. So what do we do? Start is equal to dictionary of current sum minus sum is 1. So we add 1 plus 1. The start is 2. So we get start as 2. And the end is I. For us, we are at 4th position. So start is from 0 to 2 and we just break. So if we see, our sum 33 is rendered from 23 and 10. So that's how we are solving the question.